Who doesn't love a parcel? And in today's quite short video, I'm going to be unboxing a parcel full of fibre for spinning. If you're new here, my name is Becca and I'm a hand spinner, knitter, dyer and newbie weaver, and you're very welcome to my home in West Wales. If you're an old friend, welcome back. So I'm supposed to be on a spending ban, but yeah, that didn't last very long. And so I bought myself a nice selection box of fibres to try from a lady who is based in Somerset in the southwest of England, and it's the Woven Briar, and I will link all her details in the description below. And so without further ado, because I don't want this to be a huge long video, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I've ordered. I really appreciate it when people parcel up in recyclable and compostable materials. So even the tape is paper tape, so that gets lots of ticks from me. Oopsie. And this is a postage box, so it came, obviously I've taken the address labels off, but it just came like this, and very happy with the way that is. Oh, look. And nice little thank you card. And then we have our 4 different fibres. Yeah, I really like that. Sorry, the dog's barking at me. I'm going to have to stop and see what she wants. So the dog just wanted to see what I was doing, really, as is normally the case. So nice little leaflet, telling me a little bit about what she does. Business card. Really appreciate that this is on, I think it must be seed card. Yes, it is. It's on paper with seeds in it, so you can actually grow that. Yeah, I really like this. Love the way it's packaged. I think her branding is fantastic. And then we've got our 4 different fleeces. So it's a Shetland Iceland cross, a Romney Shetland cross, a Shetland Icelandic lamb's wool. Oh my goodness, that's so gorgeous. And a Blueface Leicester cross. And yeah, that's lovely and soft as well. And these were produced in a mill that is not very far from where the farm is in Dorset. The farm's in Somerset, the mill's in Dorset. She did say, you know, there's a bit of vegetative material in it, and yeah, certainly there is. I mean, it doesn't bother me, to be honest, and just pick it out. And this is carded rather than combed. So I'm going to be able to do a nice woolen spin with this. So yeah, I will do my next video, I think, will be the Shetland Icelandic. It's 40 grams of each. So I'm going to be able to actually make something out of all this. Yeah, very happy with that. With postage and what it cost, I think it was just under £25. What's that going to be in dollars? Obviously the postage is going to be quite a lot going to America, but the actual selection box I think is around £18, so that's maybe $22, something like that. I mean, it's not cheap, but then I don't want cheap. I'm supporting a small farmer with very high welfare standards for her animals, and yeah, I'm quite happy to pay that. So that's it. Very happy with that.